So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how I decorated this cake in fondant, how I got this awesome marbling, how I arranged these flowers and everything. So without further much ado, let's get straight into the video. So I'm starting off. I'm gonna be coloring this fondant blue. It's really light blue. So I'm just gonna be adding a bit of blue color to it. Not so much. I think this is okay with the ones in my hand. Then I'll be adding a bit of water just to aid in the, just to soften the fondant a bit, so it's not stress me. So yeah, I would be coloring this cake blue. So I'm just gonna color this other one a bit of chocolate. Yeah, the color this one. Okay, just a bit of chocolate. Yeah, I think that's okay. So continuing, I'm just gonna prepare my fondant for the top layer. So it's a marble effect. So I'm just gonna squish them out like this first. Then my table so it not be sticky. Use some corn flour. Okay. So I'm gonna fold it. Then I'm gonna add this to here. So like this, I'm just gonna hope you can see me. I'm just gonna fold it backward. Then twist, then fold, then twist, then fold, then leave it like this. Yeah, where is my stick? So I'm just gonna give it like this. Okay, I think this is okay. I need 7. This is 8 already, so this is fine. I'm just gonna solidify the edges. Solidify the edges. Always check your back to see where it's fine now. Ooh, this is quite pretty though. I'm gonna solidify the edges. And yeah, this is it. And just okay, then So basically this is it. So I'm just going to be leaving it to dry. Maybe I think I'm going to be changing the board. I'm going to be changing the board design after I cut the top. And I'm going to cover the board too with some fondant too. So yeah. I'm just going to keep this aside and leave it to dry. So see you guys in a jiffy. So I'm finishing up. I'll first put on my steamer. Is it on? Yeah, it's on. I'll first put on my steamer, then I'll carry my glue and just come around here. No. Just gently putting it at the edge. So once I've gone around, I'll cover it. Okay, I need the scissors. Okay, you're seeing me. So starting from the behind I will just place it here like this, covering all the edges, covering all the edges. You should have my steamer steaming already. So once I get here, I'll give it a quick cut, then add some glue. Add some glue. That obviously glue it. But my steamer is ready. My steamer is ready. This guy just boils the water for me. Yeah. So you just then go around and check on your stuff. Go around and check. And make sure it's placed well. Where is my rag? So I'll just be shooting this out. I'll just be steaming this cake. Steaming this cake. Basically what this does is just it boils out your corn flour and make it shine. Yeah, I think this is okay. So yeah, so the cake is shining now. So yeah, I will just right now I will just add some good leaves to it. When now that it's wet, so it will just dry with it and it will just be sticky to it, to be stuck to it. This stuck or sticky to it, stuck to it. So So just adding good leaf here and there. Just adding to the whole beautification of the cake. Still gonna be adding flowers to this cake though. Just add sauce more on top. So right now I'm going to leave it to dry, and I would be back with flowers. I'll be arranging flowers on it basically, and I think they're adding a happy birthday top obviously, and that's the end of it. So yeah, catch you back guys, I guess. I said not take this YouTube thing so seriously. We're just gonna be having fun. Why at it? No rules, no regulation. Just we having fun while decorating cake. Just we having fun while decorating cake. Okay. I think it is dried. That's why it's not sticking anymore. I think it is dried. It's not sticking anymore. I think it's dried. So fun fact, you have to work fast so your cake doesn't get dry. You get? So yeah, I'm just gonna allow it to dry and then bring my flowers and start. So I'm finishing up the cake. I'm just gonna pick a front, and with the guide I have here, I'll just be adding flowers to my cake. Where this go? I think this will go. I'll be adding flowers to my cake. This is somewhere around here. This is somewhere around here. Okay. I think I'll add this. I need a toothpick, a skewer, punch out holes. I'll add this here. Okay. I need a big flower for each of these. So yeah, this is it. So I think I'm done with this cake. So yeah, I'm just gonna be dropping this outside and moving on.